Power hour. Mike V. They're leaking at the end. Let me get into this. What is this thing? Charts. Sorry about that. Okay, they're leaking. Now what's leaking? And it is a good leak. Okay, VIX. Positive. Okay. Devin. Oils are coming in. I knew it. That's what you want to come in, by the way. There's the chart on the VIX. Oil's coming off a little bit. Wayfair's still up. I saw MU up 9. I mean, that's only $1 off the high into the SCS. AMD had news all over the place. I just Vizsla, EMPH was up what? 4? Now it's unchanged. Vizsla's still positive. ENVX, the battery stocks came in. MP, that's a short. Okay, correct. You know what? I'll leave it alone. I'll leave it alone. MSTR, IBAT, Dollar Tree. I'm still in that. I don't know if I should add yet. There's the weekly on Dollar Tree. I'm going to add to that. I'm still in it. I should be in it. Okay. This JMIA I wanted to sell. I just took it. Just went to freaking sell 40,000 JMAI AA here. If you'll sell, bid. I'll sell some, bid. Dollar Tree. It took some off. I was up like 180. PBF gave some back. ZK, I like it. AR. Okay, let's stop being selfish. Okay, and let's go to this. FCX was up huge too. Option flow is what you want to see coming in here. Okay. Oh, what's this? Percent losers. Last 60 minutes was coming to the close. That's not enough volume. Percent losers on the day. Nothing. AAOI gave a lot back. I didn't see that. AAOI. I can trade these things too. They trade in groups. You can be mixed on a night like tonight. JMIA. I got to hit the bid. I don't want this much. 8159. I hate hitting bids. All right, you're welcome, you bastard. Lamb Research. Where are everybody remember all those calls? Lamb Research, they are. Those paid. That's in the fund. And then OX still up there. I got to get sloppy power hour. They caught me off guard. RCAT hanging in there. That's the strongest one so far. Lemonade, Carvana. AUR. This let me down. I sold 60. Thank God I got out of this thing. And I was pelting a lot of it. Believe me, that's a lot of shares there. Now, what are they going to rotate? Jesus Christ. What are they going to rotate into? Why do I keep deleting my charts? You guys got ideas as I collect myself? GME getting volume. Lewis saying hello. Hello, Lewis. The Lewis Fan Club. He's good for hello. You too, Lewis. Hello. GME. Not going to argue with that. You have to be insane not to at least have some of that. Whether it works or not. Whether it works or not. First of all, J Norm's hot. Not to jinx you because I'm not a jinx. I can put a black cat right on. I have a black cat. You can put a ladder right underneath the doorway here, and I'll walk underneath. I'll freaking do a Karate Kid chop 20 mirrors right in a row. Care less. Jimmy getting wrong. Trading well, Jeff. Coach posting a lot. Was active this morning too. Way to go, Coach. Look at you guys posting when I was gone. Cliff. How did the Cliff? Boxel halting. I can't trade it against my new rules. And you know what? That's positive. Voxel, I get it. It's got it. Listen, this stock has it in it. You see this? It doesn't have one of these up and down breaks. Even there's a weekly flows. Let's go to the daily. Okay, there's no major. Listen, I don't know if it's going to work, but it's not something that it's not a one-day wonder. It doesn't have it of being a one-day wonder. I don't know how much it has in it, but a box light. And I said, you know what? I'm to the point. Thank you, Mickey, but I expect nothing less at this point. Oxel, 3 hours ago, Mick said it was done. Not to call you out, just looking to trade. Probably right. Yeah, team. Listen, that's where it was 3 hours ago. What, $2? Fun might be getting ready for a move. I know that one. Freaking Jeff. Not bad either, Jeff. I'm not going to talk you off that. How can I talk him off? You know what? That's like UNG trade. UNG rallied up, pulled back to the 50-day, and it pops. Repost. Thank you, Surf's Up. Apparently breaking every rule that he asked me for, but that's fine. GME getting volume. Let me go back to YouTube. Horrible power hour. I'm embarrassed. He rallied. What's wrong with this thing? Percent gainers. Oh, I see. Percent gainers as the market's coming in. What do you want to see? Okay, here the market. Look, it's buys for what? 2? Yeah, they're up 250. The high of the day is 590. So we can't. That's what we get. Again. Now you want to see what's going up. As the market pulls back, here's TNA. It's a big pullback for this. TNA today was 450. It's 430. Now what's going up the last 16 minutes? If it's not some VIX products, that's bullish. Percent gainers in 60 minutes. It's ZZGK. That's the small one today. Where were we? Where was the team on this thing? From 9 to, you know what? ZZ Chig Industrial. That's got it in it. Where are we? GME right up there. We're here. Dave Rigetti still back. Look at this Dave Rigetti. You want to talk about a stock that hangs in there? My lord. How about Surf? They're all good. Look at Surf. Must Surf. Percent losers, 60 minutes. I don't know. QS, I sold it all right before I came on the air. FU. QPTS hanging in there. It is. It is what it is. Sound and P. I don't trust it. UAL. There was my dissertation. And the lines finally showed up. Thank you. What is that line? What is this? So I see the questions, settings. Settings. Let me delete this. Now I got lines. Delete all line studies. Nice. All right, there's UAL. UAL at the 101. Calls. AMPX. Let's get to business. Taking calls. Get to know it. Okay, calls. AR. Oil stock. Artero Resources. This looks like CRK. Too good to be true. Taking calls. Look at this thing. Go to the weekly. I'm in it. AR. Taking calls. It's up to you. WBA sneaky. Could do it. Bought some at the fund. I'm pissed I did it, but I did it. Ribbon. Gave it back. Is it over? Not quite sure. Real. Tried to squeeze everybody. Now it's a short that they got everybody out. That's it. Look at that weekly. You know what a guy named Coach Dale Pinkert says? Top stick processes. What it takes time processes. Trust me, they don't happen right away. Yeah, CRK. We all knew it. You know what? You know what? It came back to for the fun in a nice manner. Maybe I should take some off. I thought about taking some off. SU. Look at that. That's an oil stock. You know, I didn't. This went from 41 to 30. I would never. All right, I'll take it. PBF should have sold some. Minute. Next. All right, moves have been made. A lot of things are moving around now. Let things adjust. You know what I mean? Sloppy. Riven down, Misty, Affirm down, PayPal up, Square down, Baba up, down, PDD. Disney was positive nicely today, 1.1. Actually, it wasn't. NP. That's going to fade. SED, They love it now. They love BE, the energy space. AEO, not it. Chewy worked. Bros, Sweet Green, just like that. Teva, can't catch a bid now. Crisp, I knew it. Where's this? What do they call that thing? JMIA? Am I running on this thing like a piper? JMIA. This has no chance. Just taking calls. And I tried to sell some at the resistance of 428, 424. I had a lot of offers out there. That's where the bastard hit up there because I was trying to sell it all. That's me. There's my block. FU, CC, NNE. Let's get back to what could work. This is the one. Nanonuclear energy. Alternative energy. Here's my hot list. Always my hot list. Right here. CRNC, KIT, MP, IONQ, Serve. Nothing stopping Serve. Calls are off the board, not in it. Still going higher without you, Bob. GameStop. We heard about it. WBA breaking lower. Good for you. FU. Lemonade. Weekly. You want to see the Lemonade Weekly. Any questions? Lemonade Weekly. Not interested. Lemonade. Lemonade, you got to build into this thing. RBRK. Dollar Tree. Still in that? By $800 Tree Market. Double down. I'm okay with it wherever I get filled. Devin gave some back. VIX. High today 44.88. Here's the VIX. 2-minute. Not good enough. 10-minute. Daily. Below all the MAVs still. Okay. Fear and greed probably got washed out a little back, probably back to neutral. I'll get back to you on that. And just like I had a plan this morning, I had the plan Sunday night till now. To see if everything that I wrote down still, applies. CES, look for smaller names in flow, not the big daddies. The biggest underweight in shorts are in healthcare. Oil too. Listen, I'm not going to lie. There's a risk of correction. It's not going away. It is what it is. The longer things don't take to even out, if you will, regardless if we're neutral or fear, the longer a pullback is imminent. And the longer it goes without a pullback, I feel by experience, I'm not alone, doesn't mean it's right, that it'll be a little steeper than usual. That's all. Aklo. There's the daily on Aklo. It's up to you. You got it in you? You got it in you. NNE. Nuclear. CCJ. And look at NNOX. How do I not have this thing? That worked. What a bigger. I focus not about what's iron, net. I don't see anything sexy. You know, Boo Boo Kitty, whatever his name is. You know, he's buying some there. I mean, GameStop held on I don't think GameStop's up because of fundamentals. If it is, it is. But that held after meme speculations. Maybe Jeff would say Unity Software has speculation. That had a pop 2 days in a row. I wouldn't be surprised if that pops. all oils are breaking low into the close. That's all. I didn't sell PBF. What a freaking piker. I wanted to sell it. It's down 41 cents. That hurts. JMIA. Am I buying more? Did I run out of it? It's not my style to run out of things like that. Why do I get a quote? How many am I more? JMIA. Gotta buy any questions, gents? DOGs, the oils are pulling back, but alternative energy doesn't. Here's SCDG. There's ALB. Well, ALB is lithium. Where's lithium? Dave Rigetti. I sprung a leak. Sprung a freaking oil leak. I knew it too. But I was willing to harbor the pullback. All right, I'll leave it there. I wouldn't expect anything major, at least for me. If there's any option flow that comes in that's worth noting, as usual, regardless of time, I'll be there to do it. Okay, I'm here. ALTS. What's this? UNG breaking high. ALTS. UNG. The CRC. The CRC. UNG CRC. UNG CRC. NVIDIA. See, that closes. SCDG breaking higher into the close. Is that right? No, it's breaking lower. Well, let's keep an eye on GameStop. GameStop. Nothing else is jumping out at me. Listen, the sector they're going to be talking about on like Power Hour, like or on CNB, something related to that effect. What group is it, you ask? I'll tell you everyone what the group is. It's this. Right there. Might have heard it. One symbol or one letter. City. JP Morgan came all the way back. That's not good. City they're talking about. PCT, this little Mick, where are you? You're a PCT guy. Isn't this PCT sexy here? There's the weekly. No, I'll leave it there. All right. Thanks everybody for tuning in. I don't see, listen, the reason why I'm kind of at a loss, if you will, is I don't see any major flow to expand upon and trigger my brain into any type of good thought. And that's what we do here. So some earnings to be reporting as surfs up. Said it's only Monday. Go back, watch our videos. Especially coaches did a great video with the Pivot King at 12 noon this Eastern, this Monday. And certainly go back and watch I said at 11. Something went wrong. See that? TradeGATEHub. Look at that. Right back up. All right. So cheers. Thanks everybody for tuning in. I'm here. Ask questions before the close. You never know. Thanks.